Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are in Harlow and we are repairing, I think, a Mercedes B or A class. Sounds random, but it's my uncle's next door neighbour, and they're I think he's an old boy, can't use a phone, can't take pictures and stuff, so I've been sent to god awful photos to work from. But we'll head over there and we'll take a look, and I'll show you when we get there. I'll roughly know what the damage is. It's only a bumper corner, but yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Let's get over there, I'll see what actual motor it is, and we'll go from there. See you in a bit. There we go guys, see we've got a scuff down there and got some gouges through there and around the front. Yeah, this is actually a little GLA. Right, let's get at it, get this sorted for them. That's all the gouges repaired, prepped up to 320. Put one tiny little bit of stopper and a tinty chip there. That'll be plenty good enough. Primer over that. Right, I'm going to take my time, get all these plastics masked off the grills and stuff, and get this ready for primer. Right guys, all prepped, all ready for primer. I've prepped the whole area, ready for paint as well, masked off, so I'm going to just dust a bit of plastic primer on that, and then we'll smash that with some UV, get that blocked down, and then we're ready to paint. So yeah, get in there, let's crack on. Go. Hurricane season is here. Prepped all them repairs. Right, colours all knocked up. We're ready to rumble. Let's go. Right guys, we're ready for a bit of clear now. All looking good. Let me get you mounted up on the van and let's crack it down. looking well. Smash that with that Fuji V8 spray gun with a 1.2 tip. Going to do a full review on that soon. It's really nice. And we've done it in a hurricane. Just flatten it down, give it a little tickle. There's a few little nibs in it, but for hurricane mode it weren't that bad at all, to be fair. Right, let's get the old Wuhan polisher out and get cracking. See you in a minute. There you go, guys. Gave it a bit of a tickle. Looking sweet. Everything matches lovely. And I've got the peel to show. The little nib there, missed. The peel the same as this side. So it looks good. Right, I'm going to put a bit of dressing around there for him and wrap this up. There we have it, guys. Another one jobbed. All looking nice. The old fella was over the moon. I think I could have got away without polishing any of that, to be fair, but it's a nice little motor and there's a few little nibs in it, and it's my uncle's neighbour. I just wanted it to look nice. For the conditions that we've done it in, it's blowing a hoolie out here today. I'm surprised at how clean it was, dirt and nib wise sort of thing. It's come out well, so everybody's happy, we're off, that's the main thing. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.